Today in this video I show you how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. For this you have to open Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Open menu by this icon. Now scroll down to find how others can interact with you. Click on this follow and invite friends. Now in this contacts and people to follow, you will find these different options to invite friends on Instagram. If I click on invite friends by WhatsApp and select my friends to send invite and click on next, then my Instagram invite will send like this. If I go back and click on this invite friends by email, then all I have to do is add my friend's email in this and click on this icon to send invite from Instagram. You will also find this invite friends by option. If you click on this, then you can send Instagram invites by Facebook, Snapchat, messages and Messenger app. So this is how you can invite friends to follow you on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.